Think you know how your body works? Or what makes plants, animals, and cells so fascinating? In this video, you'll face 40 fun and tricky biology questions. Each one has 3 options, choose wisely. After every answer, you'll get a surprising fact or piece of knowledge to boost your brain power. From body systems to bizarre biology, facts, some answers will surprise you. See how many can you get right? Let's dive in. Your biology challenge starts now. Question 1. What part of the cell acts as its control center? A. Ribosome. B. Nucleus. C. Mitochondria. Answer: B. Nucleus. The nucleus stores your DNA. It's like the command center giving instructions to the rest of the cell. Question 2. Which organ produces insulin? A. Liver. B. Pancreas. C. Kidney. Answer: B. Pancreas. The pancreas plays a vital role in regulating blood sugar. Without it, your glucose levels would go haywire. Question 3. What gives human blood its red color? A. Platelets. B. Hemoglobin. C. Plasma. Answer: B. Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin contains iron, which binds to oxygen, giving blood its bright red color when oxygenated. Question 4. Which vitamin is mainly made by sunlight exposure? A. Vitamin C. B. Vitamin A. C. Vitamin D. Answer: C. Vitamin D. Your skin makes vitamin D when exposed to UVB rays. It helps you absorb calcium and build strong bones. Question 5. Which organ removes toxins from your blood? A. Heart. B. Liver. C. Spleen. Answer: B. Liver. Your liver filters everything you eat or drink. It breaks down harmful chemicals and keeps your blood clean. Question 6. How many chambers are there in a human heart? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. Answer: C. 4. 2 atria and 2 ventricles pump oxygen-rich and oxygen-poor blood around your body non-stop. Question 7. Which gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis? A. Nitrogen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Oxygen. Answer: B. Carbon dioxide. Plants take in CO2 and release oxygen. That's how forests act as the lungs of the earth. Question 8. Which system in your body controls your hormones? A. Respiratory system. B. Endocrine system. C. Digestive system. Answer: B. Endocrine system. The endocrine system uses glands and hormones to control mood, growth, metabolism, and more. Question 9. What's the powerhouse of the cell? A. Ribosome. B. Nucleus. C. Mitochondria. Answer: C. Mitochondria. Mitochondria convert nutrients into energy. They literally keep your cells running. Question 10. What carries oxygen in the blood? A. Red blood cells. B. White blood cells. C. Platelets. Answer: A. Red blood cells. Each red blood cell contains millions of hemoglobin molecules that deliver oxygen to every part of your body. Question 11. Which part of the brain controls balance? A. Cerebrum. B. Brainstem. C. Cerebellum. Answer: C. Cerebellum. The cerebellum helps you stand, walk, and even ride a bike without falling over. Question 12. How many bones are in the adult human body? A. 206. B. 195. C. 230. Answer: A. 206. Babies have more bones, about 270, but many fuse together as we grow into adulthood. Question 13. Which part of the eye controls how much light enters? A. Retina. B. Iris. C. Lens. Answer: B. Iris. The iris expands or contracts to adjust your pupil. It works like a camera shutter. Question 14. What pigment makes skin darker? A. Keratin. B. Melanin. C. Chlorophyll. Answer: B. Melanin. Melanin not only affects skin color, it also protects against UV radiation from the sun. Question 15. What part of a plant absorbs water? A. Stem. B. Leaf. C. Root. Answer: C. Root. Roots also store nutrients and anchor the plant in the ground like biological anchors. Question 16. Which animal is known to have 3 hearts? A. Octopus. B. Shark. C. Frog. Answer: A. Octopus. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, and 1 pumps to the rest of the body. When it swims, 1 heart even stops beating. Question 17. Which organ helps with balance and hearing? A. Ear. B. Eye. C. Nose. Answer: A. Ear. Your inner ear has fluid-filled canals that sense your body's movement, helping you stay upright. Question 18. What type of blood cells fight infections? A. Red. B. White. C. Platelets. Answer: B. White. White blood cells are your immune system's soldiers. They identify and attack invaders like viruses and bacteria. Question 19. Which element is most common in the human body? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon. C. Calcium. Answer: A. Oxygen. About 65% of your body mass is oxygen, mainly in water molecules and organic compounds. Question 20. Which bird is known for mimicking human speech? A. Pigeon. B. Parrot. C. Owl. Answer: B. Parrot. Parrots don't talk like us. They copy sounds using a unique voice organ called the syrinx. Question 21. Which blood type is known as the universal donor? A. O negative. B. AB positive. C. A positive. Answer: A. O negative. O negative blood can be given to anyone, which makes it vital in emergency transfusions when there's no time to test blood type. Question 22. What is the longest bone in the human body? A. Tibia. B. Femur. C. Spine. Answer: B. Femur. The femur, your thigh bone, is not only the longest, but also the strongest bone in the human body. Question 23. Which part of the flower produces pollen? A. Stigma. B. Petal. C. Anther. Answer: C. Anther. The anther sits on top of the filament and produces tiny grains of pollen essential for plant reproduction. Question 24. Which is the largest organ in the human body? A. Liver. B. Skin. C. Intestine. Answer: B. Skin. Your skin is not just a covering, it regulates temperature, protects from germs, and even produces vitamin D. Question 25. What do carnivorous plants primarily eat? A. Small insects. B. Leaves. C. Mushrooms. Answer: A. Small insects. Venus flytraps and pitcher plants grow in poor soil, so they trap insects to get extra nutrients. Question 26. Which part of the human brain controls voluntary movement? A. Medulla. B. Cerebellum. C. Cerebrum. Answer: C. Cerebrum. Cerebrum is responsible for thinking, memory, and voluntary actions like walking or writing. Question 27. Which gas do animals exhale that plants use? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. Answer: B. carbon dioxide. Plants and animals live in harmony. We give them CO2, and they give us oxygen. It's the perfect cycle. Question 28. Which type of joint is found in the shoulder? A. Hinge joint. B. Ball and socket joint. C. Fixed joint. Answer: B. Ball and socket joint. This joint allows a wide range of motion. That's why your arms can move in almost any direction. Question 29. Which sense is most closely linked to memory? A. Touch. B. Smell. C. Sight. Answer: B. Smell. Smells go directly to the brain's memory center. That's why certain scents instantly bring back strong memories. Question 30. How many lungs does a human have? A. 1. B. 2. C. 4. Answer: B. 2. The left lung is smaller to make room for the heart. Together, your lungs can hold up to 6 liters of air. Question 31. Which organ stores bile produced by the liver? A. Stomach. B. Gallbladder. C. Kidney. Answer: B. Gallbladder. Bile helps break down fats. When you eat fatty food, the gallbladder releases bile into your small intestine. Question 32. Which part of the neuron receives signals? A. Axon. B. Synapse. C. Dendrite. Answer: C. Dendrite. Dendrites act like antennas receiving electrical messages from other neurons to keep communication flowing. Question 33. Which macronutrient is the body's main source of energy? A. Protein. B. Fat. C. Carbohydrates. Answer: C. Carbohydrates. Carbs get broken down into glucose, your cell's favorite fuel for everyday activities and exercise. Question 34. What part of the plant transports water? A. Xylem. B. Phloem. C. Cambium. Answer: A. Xylem. The xylem moves water upward from roots to leaves like nature's built-in plumbing system. Question 35. What structure protects the brain? A. Skull. B. Spine. C. Rib cage. Answer: A. Skull. Your skull not only shields your brain, but also holds the structures for your senses, like sight and hearing. Question 36. Which organ is mainly responsible for digestion? A. Large intestine. B. Small intestine. C. Stomach. Answer: C. Stomach. The stomach breaks down food using acid and enzymes before passing it to the small intestine for nutrient absorption. Question 37. What are organisms that make their own food called? A. Consumers. B. Producers. C. Decomposers. Answer: B. Producers. Plants are producers that use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create energy through photosynthesis. Question 38. What part of the plant is mainly responsible for photosynthesis? A. Stem. B. Leaf. C. Root. Answer: B. Leaf. Leaves contain chloroplasts filled with chlorophyll, which captures sunlight to turn into plant food. Question 39. What is the study of heredity called? A. Anatomy. B. Genetics. C. Cytology. Answer: B. Genetics. Genetics helps us understand how traits pass from parents to offspring and why you might have your mom's eyes or your dad's nose. Question 40. Which animal can survive in space without protection? A. Cockroach. B. Tardigrade. C. Ant. Answer: B. Tardigrade. Tardigrades, also known as water bears, can survive extreme heat, cold, radiation, even the vacuum of space. So, how many did you get right? Let us know your score in the comments. Biology is full of wonder, from microscopic cells to creatures that can survive in space. If you had fun and learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the to never miss a brain boosting quiz. And if you like Ultimate Science Facts, then click the video link on the screen and challenge yourself with the quiz. Thanks for playing with Quiz today. See you in the next video.